your crayons, let's have fun. Our amazing art has just begun. Draw Bluey and Bingo, the messy friends. Draw them with FineArt Drawing Academy. Oh, she is seeming to run, but give her a companion. Let's draw her sister Bingo running along. Grab your crayon, draw her eyes, oh so round and cute. Let's get ready for some fun. Draw Bluey and Bingo, the messy friends. Draw them with FineArt Drawing Academy. Learning how to draw is so much fun with our new best friends till the day is done. FineArt Drawing Academy. Yeah! FineArt Drawing Academy! Ooh, let's draw and play with Bluey and Bingo. Hip, hip, let's color Bluey. Make her more cute. Start with the blue. Now look, she is more beautiful. Let's fill Bingo with color. She seems so tired. After giving her a touch of pen, she might feel better.